Show you how to upgrade your game graphics for the mobile platform. This is the old game. As you can see, the graphics is not too much good. To start, open mobile lighting box. By default, the lighting box switch to the linear color space. The default is for game mode. Okay. First, you need to create a new lighting profile for your game. As you can see, you have 4 files: Skybox material, light setting, and post-processing profile. Okay, first you need to change sun rotation and position. Here you can select a color. Nice. Now you need to upgrade the materials. The materials must be PBR, the standard. As you can see, this game has been used the old legacy materials. We need to switch to the PBR. Models, material, in models. Change all materials to the standard to be PBR. Nice. Now after this, you can use lighting box, PBR, auto PBR. You can choose one of them. Smoothness. Okay, as you can see, the reflection is automatically calculated. We need to add a reflection prop to capture reflection. You can place everywhere. This will capture around this point. Increase the size to cover the whole scene. As you can see, it's covered the whole scene. Now bake the reflection. As you can see, has been baked. The scene is not static, so the reflection prop doesn't capture the models. Now bake again. As you can see, this capture the statics model. You can come back to statics. Okay, now we have proper material config, the PBR surface and reflection props. Now we can play the game and find the proper light settings. Okay, this is the default settings. You can easily, using the lighting box, find your proper light settings. First, you need to choose a good skybox for your game. Everything will depend on your taste. Nice. You can here increase the sun color, exposure, rotate this skybox. Here you can use skybox light source to get image-based lighting, IBL. Here you can update the light sun lighting. Okay, sun intensity, rotation in different angles. Okay, this is your sun. As you can see, you have a good lens flare. Now you can reduce the sun volume from the sun intensity or from the volume section. Everything will depend on your taste. Nice. Good. Now you can enable the global fog effect. The best one is this option. As you can see, this includes the skybox. This is the default fog that don't affect on the skybox. This will cover the skybox too. Nice. As you can see, we have a very easy to use fog system. This is for a storm mode. This is the best option. You can also update its color to reach your desired result. Nice. Nice. Okay, as you can see, Lighting Box automatically create a very good lighting for you. Everything is easy. Everything is so easy and realistic. Nice. Here, this is the real-time reflection. Everything is so easy. Nice. The default setting is good for AAA games. And finally, from here you can update the color grading. For example, you can increase the contrast, gamma. Everything will depend on your taste. And finally, you can choose a filmic style color grading. Everything will depend on your taste. This is the filmic style color grading. And you can easily play the game and enjoy from AAA game lighting for mobile platforms. Nice. Now the final step is working on your materials. You can easily work on your materials. Select each surface material. We have used the Mobile Lighting Box Auto PBR. This is the road. You can update the settings. As you can see, the PBR automatically generated by Mobile Lighting Box Auto PBR G, Channel G as a smoothness. You can use Channel R as a smoothness. Just try different channels to find the proper setting. This is a good setting for the road and for the corner. Nice. Everything will depend on your taste. For your car body, you can increase the metallic, smoothness and color. Everything will depend on your taste. Nice. As you can see, your game looks AAA. This is an old game with a quick setup. Using the lighting box, you have a AAA lighting. Sunlight. Everything will depend on your taste. Everything will depend on your taste. Nice. I hope this video is useful to you. You can disable color grading by choosing the LUT. Also, you can switch to the default mode. Everything looks amazing and realistic by Mobile Lighting Box 3. Everything looks good. I hope this video will be useful to you. And finally, I want to show you some beautiful effects. Where is the prefabs? Effects 5. You can direct volumetric fog into your scene. As you can see, you have a very realistic volumetric fog. This is the volumetric fog based on particle system. As you can see, the game looks more volumetric. You can find different volumetric fog. Nice. You can change its scale easily. Duplicate. As you can see, we have fake volumetric fog effect. This will make your game very beautiful and very realistic. Nice. You can duplicate the fog and change its color. Everything will easy by lighting box. I hope this video is useful to you. You just need to work on the materials and your textures. By improving your material and textures, your game looks every time better and better. Everything depends on your taste. Okay, without real-time reflection, your game looks good too. I hope this video will be useful to you.